Hello everyone, welcome back to Opal Rosella channel. Today we're so excited to share how Opal learned weightlifting. She's got her own tiny wooden weight toy and she's turning it into a workout routine. Stick around to watch her in action, it's going to make your day. When I first introduced the wooden weight toy, she wasn't too sure about it. New things can be a little scary for a bird. So I took it slow. To help her get comfortable, I placed some of her favorite treats around the toy. This made the toy seem less scary and much more interesting. In other words, treats equals confidence booster. Over the next few days, she started getting closer to the toy, grabbing the treats. Patience is key when introducing new things to parrots. They are so smart, but they need time to figure out what's safe. And here she is, my little weightlifter in action. She loves picking it up and tossing it around. It's so rewarding to see her enjoying something new and building confidence along the way. This wooden weight toy has become one of her favorite ways to play and show off. What about your fellow friends? Let me know in the comments how you introduce new toys to them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.